Yeah, sure. So open monogamy, the book is a guide to co-creating your ideal relationship agreement. And it's really geared towards people in some kind of primary or central relationship that want to have some kind of flexible or fluid monogamy agreement. And so it's geared towards a brand new wave of people who are looking at monogamy differently, so that it's not a reflection of, a traditional monogamy agreement, although it could be, because the base here is really about honesty and transparency. And so it's about how do you create a relationship that's a commitment, but also isn't necessarily your grandmother's monogamy. It's monogamy that the two of you or the more of you create in a way that works for you and is ideal for the ongoing relationship that you have throughout your lifetime.
Can you tell folks how you came to write it?
Yeah, so I've been in private practice for over 30 years, probably about 30 years. And one of the books that I wrote, I'm a sex therapist and a couples therapist. And I really found that people came to me for one of two sort of siloed reasons. One is that they've been sort of neglecting their erotic life and they wanted more passion and aliveness. And they wanted to stay with their partner, and they were really good companions, like good roommates, but they weren't feeling that in love, alive feeling. They wanted to work on that. And the other reason that people come in is because there's been some kind of trauma or a betrayal in their erotic life, and like an affair or infidelity. And so they want to heal from that and recreate a new monogamy, sort of reboot, like relationship 2.0 or 3.0. And so I wrote Getting the Sex You Want, which is how to integrate couples therapy. I'm an imago relationship therapist, how to integrate couples therapy with good conversations about sex. And then I wrote The New Monogamy, which is how to redefine your relationship after infidelity and how to begin these conversations about what do you want now? Like, this didn't work, clearly. So now that you've decided to sort of stay together on some level, what is that going to look like?